Guys, CM here. I guess I gotta correctly do this so that I'm not in the path of the light here. But this is a very special video because this is my first Samson Pacific Cutlery, aka Benchmade, aka Balisong ink. Yep. So this is a hand ground that is, I'm guessing, almost as old as I am. Got a very nice burgundy micarta in there that is almost black, but at this angle you can see that it is burgundy. All dovetailed in. Got, I guess the equivalent for a butterfly would be walk and talk. Latch attention, well closed. Yep. As far as opening, well, let's see. Latch it open. It holds. Doesn't wiggle. Nothing loose or whatever. Let's see. This is what they call an Imada High Hollow grind. And as you can see, that is exactly what it is. It's a very high hollow grind. And if you're familiar with any Filipino martial arts, then you know of the balisong manual and Jeff Imada. So this is 3/16 thick, ATS 34, and let's see, looks like stainless channel handles, milled. I'm guessing 300 series, but really, who the hell cares? Let's see. Time to measure this puppy. As per all of my reviews, let's see. That's even. Yep. Okay. So open length is 9 inches exactly, and let's see. Blade length is the traditional 4, and I guess if you measure from the termination of the handles, I guess it would be 4.125. I like to measure sharpen length total in conjunction with past the handles, like to the hilt kind of measurement, I guess. So we've got 3.5 inches of actual usable sharpened edge. And just so you see the shoulders on this grind, the plunge lines again, because these were entirely hand ground and handmade, so of course they're going to have some flaws. But there that is. Let's see. Since this is early 80s, this has no latch gate, and when you get past a certain angle here, like right around, when it gets to right around here, it tends to stick. So, yeah, right there. But other than that, this is literally, like, I've had people text me and whatever and comment on my Facebook saying this is considered one of their grail knives. I paid $575 for this, and came as is, no box, no papers. Appears to be original factory edge, but yeah, I think I scored very nicely. This will get lots of use and carry around the house as is. Maybe I might carry it a few times outside the house, but being in California, you got to be careful. Let's see, getting to carry. This is a pancake rig I just finished with, and I just ran out of black Tandy's the evaporating dye. I just ran out, so I did the rest of it with the brown EcoFlow shit, which isn't really my favorite, but it's all I have left. And so I figured that'll complement the micarta nicely. But I haven't even added any kiwi to this, or broken it in yet. It has Kydex on the inside and leather on the outside, 3 layers thick. Yep, just regular old-fashioned pancake rig. Oh yeah, measurements closed. Closed we have, let's see, closed we have just a cut hair under or over 5 inches even. So, final thing on my little review here is weighing this. And so let's zero out the scale. We're on ounces. 6.955. Or, for all you brothers across the pond, we have 197 grams. And just to make a comparison between knives here is my custom, which weighs 226.5 grams, aka 7.990 ounces. So this one is heavier, but they're both overall damn good knives. This one, I would say, has a better balance to it, better overall feel. The inlays are definitely awesome. And for once, this is a knife I can actually latch drop with little to no difficulty. Well, there we go. I thought I had it down. There we go. Nice. But, yeah, there it is. My first Samson. Okay, guys, enough dicking around with the butterfly. And put it back away in this thing. So, to hear the very firm little snap of that in. Alright, hope you enjoyed this vid. Hope you enjoyed seeing this little classic piece of balisong history. Alright, guys, later.